Hello guys, so this is how to tie your simple bridal egg using sago size 19 to get a lovely bridal style. So this is it. If you have been following my page, my channel, you will know how to do the pleat and how to fix your pin. So this is an advanced style. So this is me fixing my pin. So I've fixed the pin. Now I'll have to drag it out a bit and start making my pleats. I'll start making my pleats. So this is how to make the pleats. You take the pleats one after the other. You keep taking the pleats one after the other. So this is it. We keep picking it. So guys, please, it's an advanced style. So just carefully watch how this style is being created. So I'll keep picking the pleat. It's a detailed style. So you see me picking the pleat. And if you're tying this kind of style, you have to free yourself. Don't rush it so you won't make mistake. So you have to free yourself and keep picking it. If you're picking, you drag it up a bit, then gently pick the pleat. Don't rush the pleat. This is sago. Any pleat you rush or miss, it will definitely affect your final result. So this is it. You keep taking your pleat one after the other. Gently. Don't make it too big. Don't make it too tiny, so it won't affect you. See the one I'm tying it. So like I said, you don't rush it. You keep picking it gently. Take a closer look on how I'm tying this tie. Please, you take a closer look on how I'm tying this tie so you don't make a mistake. You don't miss a line. Any line you miss, it will affect you. So you gently keep picking your pleats. This is how you keep picking it till both sides will look slantly. So this is it. So like I said, since this is not a show, okay, we keep arranging it so it doesn't look so rough and so tattered. So once you get to the other side, like this set I'm arranging, you carefully arrange it. You carefully arrange it. So you see the one I'm just arranging. Sorry that my arm is actually obstructing. I didn't notice. It was not after the video that I saw it. Sorry. So I'm still arranging. You are free to drop your question in any one that you feel like you got confused, or any step you got confused. You can drop your question and I'll be so glad to answer you. So this is it. You keep picking. You won't stop. You keep picking it. So at this side, you see the way I'm arranging it, and I drag it up a little bit, and I asked the client to hold it. Just drag it up a little bit, and I asked the client to hold it for me. So now, that side, you have to arrange it too. See the way I'm arranging it? Yeah. In this style, we don't rush. We don't rush any pleats. You have to calm down and pick your pleats, so you don't rush any pleat. So one thing about this style is that if you're done picking, you notice that the other side looks slantly. If you are tying and notice that the other side looks slantly, then you got it right. Because both sides you'll be picking it small, then the middle one big, the other side small. So at the end of the day, you will get a slant angle on both sides. You see the way I'm doing it? If I tie, I will just arrange it, and I will look at it very well, so I won't start afresh and start tying it again. Now you notice that this side is giving me that slantly shape that I want. So you see, I'm arranging it. Now you see, now I will pick small, then the upper one will be big. I will pick another small, the upper one will be big. This is how I'll keep picking it. You see it? You see? Yeah. This is how I'll keep picking it till I get what I want. See the way I just did it? Then I'll keep arranging. Then if you arrange and you see that it's not sitting well the way you want, now looks like I'm kind of struggling to make it look better. You see, I'm kind of struggling to make it look better. It seems like it's not sitting well. It's not a showcase, it's Sego. So I cannot leave it like that. I'll have to go back and arrange it. It has to sit well before I continue any other side. Any side that we arrange have to sit well. So now I've gotten this side, but still kind of shaky. So I have to go to the back. And drag it from the back. I'm sorry I didn't show the back, but you can still go to my other video and see how the back was dragged and how I was able to show the back and drag it and arrange everything. So now I'm done dragging it. So back to the other side. Now gently keep arranging it. So you see the way I'm arranging it. So you see the way I'm arranging this side now. So whatever that you applied on the other side is you equally apply it on this side. You understand? So since both sides has to be equal, and you are picking small, big in this side so that it will rhyme with the other side, and it's still the same step. I'm sorry that my hand was actually obstructing. So you see the way I'm tying it. so both sides has to be equal. You know, it's not, this style is not a style you rush. It's a style you calm down and tie. It's a bridal ache. It's an advanced type. So this is it. You keep taking it small till we get what we want. I'm sorry that my hand is actually obstructing. I didn't notice all this. So if you're coming across my page for the very first time, I really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. So what is actually taking my time in this side is I'm trying to arrange it. I'm just trying to arrange it. I didn't notice that my hand was actually obstructing. So I'm kind of arranging it. So guys, please do well to subscribe to my channel. This is a much more bigger advanced style. It's a much bigger advanced style. So you see, so you can actually watch my other videos to know how I got to this step. So this is it. I'm done arranging. Like I told you, any step you see me apply this side, I've already applied it on the other side. So this is me just folding it from the behind. You can actually watch my other video to see how all these styles were being created, because like I said, this is a much bigger advanced style. So any step I take here, I've already taken it before in my other previous video. So guys, please do well to check it out and know much more what I'm talking about there, so this style won't get more complicated and confused. So this is me just trying to fold it and arrange it. You know, it has to look much better and much prettier. I'm sorry I didn't show the back. I'm sorry, it's more of folding, but you have been following me, you will understand what I'm saying. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, invite your friends to watch. So this is it. So I'm done with this. I'm arranging it, you know. Now this is it. We have our wonderful style, our advanced style. Yeah. So this is our style. See? So now I'm folding the other side. It's just all about folding, nothing much. You just have to fold it gently. Just fold it gently and pin it at the back. Just make the pinning neat, make the stuff the folding neat, and pin it. So this is it, guys. So like I always say, the beauty of every gele is the plate. So guys, do well to watch out, subscribe so you get notified anytime I post a new video, so you won't be left out. You won't be left out on the goodies coming from my page, guys. So this is it. So look at the beauty we just created. Thank you guys. God bless.